What is up YouTube? Welcome back to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to replace a two-wheeler's air filter pretty easy at home by yourself. So this is my Bajaj AVenger 220 Cruise. So in this case the air filter is on the left side, right under the seat. Mostly it stays right under the seat, but the pattern would be different. The filter would be different, like it's gonna stay in some bike like this, but in this case it stays like that on that side. So I'm gonna open this panel and gonna replace the air filter. So just follow my step. So this is the new air filter, and from Bajaj original spare parts. You can see this thing cost me around rupees 60, but if I go to any mechanic, they will charge few hundreds for changing this one. So I'm going to do that by myself. So let's check it out. This is the air filter, the old one. It's kind of dirty, but that's going to work too, but I'm going to replace it now with a fresh one. Alright, so that's the old one and that's the new one. And here you can see some cracks there, so I'm going to install this one now.